So let's keep moving. Practical workshops. Practical workshops provide hands-on learning and interactive experiences. There's a big difference between practical workshop and masterclass that I explained before. I will use a couple of niches to explain the difference. Okay? Take personal development niche. A master class could be something like I said, something like happiness mastery, how to achieve inner joy. Or it could be mindful leadership training for success. Or something like effective communication skills for personal growth. But a workshop, which is even valued higher than a master class, is stress management, something like stress management and resilience building workshop. Building speaking confidence workshop. I'm talking about the inner circle, about the personal development people. Okay, these practical workshops, they provide interactive experiences for individuals to enhance their skills and mindset. While the masterclass, the video masterclass courses are often comprehensive guidance on practical strategies for personal growth. So the transformation from a masterclass is different from a workshop. What we are doing right now is a workshop where we're actually breaking stuff down, explaining what it's supposed to be. A masterclass is different, just a straight up training to teach you the information, to give you the information in that area of topic. But a workshop goes deeper to the practicalization of what we are doing. So 7 pillars to 6 figures is actually a workshop, because we come on Monday, we talk about it, we break it down, we take questions, and then on Friday, we come and talk about the implementation of it. That's a workshop, and those are a whole different level. Those are the ones that now sell for $5,000, $3,000. Probably what we are doing now is the cheapest level of it. It's a minimum $5,000 cost. And that's why I didn't give it to Inner Circle before. Because $1,000 cannot pay for this course. For a year, that to me is like giving it away for free. Talk less about those who just pay $10 a month. That's why I'm going to be very brutal on anybody missing that $10. I'm going to use that start to collect my money. So don't let that be you. $1,000 is not enough for a workshop that is going to span at least 7 months, then adding other coaching to it over the next 1 year. So when you create your own workshop too, that is the value you're going to put to it. Your master class can be 1,000, can be 497, 697, but your practical workshop should be your second level. The elite, that's where it's supposed to be. Anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. That's where it's, because you are providing hands-on learning and interactive experiences. That's why you have assignments after the class. You don't do that in a master class. That is why you come back to come and defend your assignment and all of that stuff. So you want to have that as part of your own. It's another level of experience for those who really want to go immersive with you, those who really want to learn about this stuff. I hope you guys understand the difference between a master class and a workshop now. Let me use another example. For instance, if you're in the, let's take the Christians and pastors niche, for instance. A master class might be something like Kingdom Business Mastery, a spiritual approach to entrepreneurship. That could be a course where you then go through different things, like I had with the Making of a Kingdompreneur, which was a course. Or it could be something like Financial Stewardship for Pastors and Ministry Leaders. It will be a video training that is step by step of what they need to do. But a workshop could then be something like Prayerful Business Planning Workshop. It could be something like Business Startup Workshop for Christians in business. And then that will provide them an immersive experience, hands-on training, and interactive experiences to help pastors thrive in their business ventures. Workshop includes practicals and immersive experiences. Master classes do not. They are typically a training straight up. Go watch it and go apply yourself. A workshop help them to apply. That's why most workshops are live, because they involve you asking questions back, them walking you through it, just like you saw Philip interrupted me to ask a question about the application of what I'm saying to his niche. That's a workshop. Mostly masterclass, they just give you the recording and you just go watch. Are we all clear about this? If you are clear, I want you to give me a W on the difference between the two. One is more valuable than the other. Online practical workshops are definitely much more valuable than a masterclass, and the prices reflect that. Awesome, because these are all arsenals in your business. You're going to be looking at how you are going to put it together. Because, like I said, for you to have erected this pillar in your business to start with, you must have a 4-in-1 product. It has to be at least 4 that combines different parts of this that you're going to kick out with, and that one you're going to stay on for a few months, make your money on it before you start talking about different other products to support them. All right, let's keep moving. So there's